Can you spot the difference? I hope so. But don't worry, if you can't, by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly the difference between a quarter that's worth not a lot of money versus a quarter that's worth a whole lot of money, guys. So without wasting any more time, let's hop into this video. So up first, you need to understand that these quarters were first produced in 1932. Next, you want to look for a mint mark. Now, mint marks are important because they tell you where the coins were produced. So on this example, you can see there's a D mint mark, and that D mint mark stands for the Denver Mint, where this coin was produced. You can also have coins that are produced at the Philadelphia Mint. You can tell you have a Philadelphia minted coin if you have a P mint mark or no mint mark at all. Also, if you have a coin that has an S mint mark, that means your coin was minted at the San Francisco Mint. Now, San Francisco minted coins are typically going to be worth more money because San Francisco produces on average less coins than the other mints. Lastly, there is a mint called the West Point Mint. You can see if you have a West Point minted coin by if there's a W mint mark on your coin. West Point is a pretty uncommon mint mark to see, so keep your eyes out for those. But going over this quarter coin, this exact coin sold for $82,250, and here's why. So there's a few things to consider when evaluating your coin and trying to determine how much money it's actually worth. The first thing, like we already talked about, is the mint mark. Depending on which mint your coin was minted at will depend on how many coins were minted for that specific year. So this coin was produced in 1932. It has a D mint mark standing for the Denver Mint. Also, this coin was graded by PCGS, a mint state 66. Now, PCGS is a third-party grading and authentication company that will look at your coin and put a numerical grade on it, anywhere from 1 all the way up to 70. So this one is getting close to the 70 grade. Now, I must tell you, getting a grade this high is pretty challenging and you have to know what to look for. I have a completely free ebook that touches on coin grading. All you got to do is click the link below, but you do not have to do that. What you should do is make sure that you're handling your coins properly, not dropping them. Do not damage them anymore because the smallest little nick or gash on the coin can dramatically decrease the value of the coin. To summarize everything very briefly, this was the first year they produced this Washington quarter. It's a very high grade. It's from the Denver Mint. And lastly, when the coin was sold. Market timings are very important. Depending on if you sell your coin at a market high versus a market low is going to drastically dictate how much money the coin brings in auction. YouTube knows exactly what video you need to watch next. You can see that video now on the screen, or you can check out my channel for more. I'll see you guys inside.